Elder Abuse Awareness Day, launched on June 15, 2006 by the International Network for the Prevention of Elder Abuse and the World Health Organization to promote awareness for elder abuse and neglect. The UN International Plan of Action acknowledges elder abuse as a public health and human rights issue. Every year, around 5 million elders are abused, neglected, or exploited, with around $2.6 billion or more lost by the elder population by financial abuse and exploitation. The pain and suffering is amplified at an even greater level due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Those over 80 years old are 5 times more likely than average to be at risk of mortality and severe disease following the infection. Around 66% of people aged 70 and over have at least one underlying condition which severely increases the risk of mortality and complications following an infection. Older people are more likely to face discrimination for medical care and life-saving treatment. The pandemic is also affecting the social networks, access to health services, and possibly their pension funds. As UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres says, the COVID-19 pandemic is causing untold fear and suffering for older people across the world. Beyond its immediate health impact, the pandemic is putting older people at greater risk of poverty, discrimination, and isolation. It is likely to have a particularly devastating impact on older people in developing countries. Here are some startling statistics. Only 1 in 5 elder financial abuse and exploitation is reported. From 2019 to 2030, the number of people aged 60 years and over is projected to grow by 38%, from 1 billion to 1.4 billion. This emphasizes a greater care and focus towards the elders is necessary to decrease the potential harm that might be inflicted to the oncoming elder population. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 6 people aged over 60 suffers from abuse that totals nearly 141 million people globally. The National Center on Elder Abuse and the National Clearinghouse on Abuse in Later Life chose the theme Lifting Up Voices for WEAAD 2020. Here are some suggestions for you to be involved. Educate others about elder abuse in your family and other social media platforms. Confront ageist messages on social media with positive portrayals of older adults. Connect to elderly neighbors who live alone. Volunteer at elder retirement communities and facilities. Visit the websites in the link below for more information about elder abuse.